So let us start our exercise 2.6. We have to find the first question. Define the sum of the following. So first part is 3, 7, 11 up to 40 terms. Second part is 102, 97, 92 up to 27 terms. Third part is 6 plus 13 plus 20 till 97. So our first part is 3, 7, 11 up to 40 terms. Our solution is A equal to 3. You already know A equal to 3 and D equal to 7 minus 3, which is 4. N equal to 40 because we are going to find up to 40 terms. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a very important formula for sum of the terms. So S40 equal to 40 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 40 minus 1 into 4, which is when we cancel it we'll get 20 into 6 plus 39 into 4, which is 20 into 6 plus 156, which is 20 into 162, which is 3240. And our second part solution is 102, 97, 92 up to 27 terms. A equal to 102, D equal to T2 minus T1, which is 97 minus 102, which is minus 5. So N equal to 27 because we are going to find up to 27 terms. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and S27 equal to 27 by 2 into 2 into 102 plus 27 minus 1 into minus 5, and 27 by 2 into 204 plus 26 into minus 5 is 27 by 2 into 204 minus 130, which is 27 by 2 into 74. When we cancel it we'll get 37, and 27 into 37 is 999. So our third part is 6 plus 13 plus 20 till 97. So A equal to 6 and D equal to T2 minus T1, which is 13 minus 6, which is 7. So our last term is given 97. So I already told you when you have A and L, you can use this formula to find N. So N equal to L minus A by D plus 1, which is 97 minus 6 by 7 plus 1, and which is 91 by 7 plus 1, which is 91. I'm taking this LCM, so 7 into 1 is 7, 91 plus 7 by 7, which is 98 by 7. When I cancel it, I'll get 14, which is equal to 14. So Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. I already told you, when you have a and l, you can find Sn by this formula, n by 2 into a plus l. So S14 equal to 14 by 2 into 6 plus 97, which is, when I cancel it, 7 into 103, which is equal to 721. So our second question is, how many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum up to 480? They are asking how many consecutive odd integer. Consecutive means the next number, and odd integer you already know, the next odd number. We are going to find the next odd number of 5 till 480. Okay, so 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 till 480. So Sn equal to 480, A equal to 5, D equal to T2 minus T1, which is 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 480 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 5 plus n minus 1 into 2. I am substituting the values. So 2, when I multiply inside, I'll get n by 2 into 10 plus 2n minus 2. So 480 equal to n by 2 into 8 plus 2n, 10 minus 2 is 8. So 480 into 2, which is this 2 will go that side and it will become multiplication. So 480 into 2 equal to 8n plus 2n square. So this is 960, and 8n plus 2n square equal to 960, and 2n square plus 8n minus 960 equal to 0. And when it comes this side, this will become 0 and this will become minus. So n square, I am dividing this whole equation by 2, so I will get n square minus plus 4n minus 480 equal to 0. So n square plus 24n minus 20n minus 480 equal to 0. I am factorizing that equation. So n into n plus 24 minus 20 into n plus 24 equal to 0. So n minus 20 into n plus 24 equal to 0. n minus 20 equal to 0 means n equal to 20. n plus 24 equal to 0 means n equal to minus 24. So n equal to 20 comma minus 24. So the number of terms cannot be negative. Okay, I already told you the numbers will be always positive. Okay, therefore the number of consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480 is 20. Third question, find the sum of 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. So our nth term is given n equal 4n minus 3. So it is given till 28 terms. So n equal to 28, tn equal to 4n minus 3 and t1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 3. I am substituting 1 in the place of n. I will get 1 here also. So 4 into 1 minus 3, which is 4 minus 3 equal to 1. T2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 3, which is 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So T28 equal to 4 into 28 minus 3 equal to 112 minus 3, which is equal to 109. So A equal to 1, D equal to T2 minus T1, which is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So L equal to 109. So Sn equal to, you can either use this formula or Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L formula. Okay, I have already done this here, you can see, or else I will do in this method. So which is 28 by 2 into A is 1 plus 109 is substituting, which is 14 into 120. Okay, 110, sorry. So which is equal to 154 into 0, that is 1440. Sorry, 540. So this and this came as equal. So you can use either this formula or this formula, your wish. So our fourth question, the sum of first n terms of certain series is given as 2n square minus 3n. We have to show that the series is an AP. So given Sn equal to 2n square minus 3n, S1 equal to 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1, 2 minus 3, which is minus 1, and Tn equal to A, which is minus 1. A2 equal to S2 minus S1. Keep this formula in mind. Okay, it is very useful. Which is equal to, we have already found S1 as minus 1. And now I'll find S2. Okay, S2 equal to 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2, which is 2 square is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 minus 6 is, which is equal to 2. So S2 is 2 minus S1 is minus 1, minus of minus 1, which is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So D equal to T2 minus T1, which is T2 we have already found, that is A2 equal to T2, you know. Okay, so now only we found it is 3. So 3 minus T1 is minus of minus 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Minus and minus get cancelled and it will become plus. So consider A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D. So which is minus 1 comma minus 1 plus 4 comma minus 1 plus 2 into 4 till infinity, which is minus 1 comma 3 comma 7 till infinity. So clearly this is an AP with A equal to minus 1 and D equal to 4.